Chapter 1. Means of Communication. Means of communication is the process of sending and receiving messages. In the ancient times, these messages took long time to reach their addresses. People used horses, pigeons, and signals for these purposes. Now we have quicker and more reliable means of sending and receiving messages. Let us discuss these in detail. Post office. Until a few years back, letters were the most common means of communication. Letters are sent through a post office. Nowadays, speed post and courier services are available for quick delivery. Until a few years back, urgent messages were sent through telegrams. A telegram was sent through a telegraph, through wires in the form of dots and dashes. But now the government has stopped this service due to its decreasing popularity. Telephone. Telephone is the fastest means of communication. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Telephone has changed our life completely. Through it, we can talk to any person in any part within the country or in other countries with the help of STD, subscriber trunk dialing, and ISD, international subscriber dialing service, respectively. Cellular mobile phones enable us to make or receive calls anywhere at any time. These phones can be carried in our pockets easily. We can also send and receive SMS short messaging service through mobile phones. Mobile phones have become very popular these days. Fax machine. The fax machine is connected to a telephone line. It is used to send the exact copy of a printed matter to different destinations. The exact copy of the printed matter reaches the receiver instantly. Email. An email is sent through a computer connected to the Internet. Internet is a network that links millions of computers all over the world. Through email, the messages reach the receiver instantly. Mass communication. Some means of communication like newspapers, magazines, radio, television, cinema, and advertisement convey messages to a large number of people. They are called means of mass communication or mass media. Newspapers and magazines give us news from all over the world. Newspapers contain all kinds of information such as on politics, science, sports, business, health, and weather. All the countries of the world have their own news agencies which gather news from different regions. UNI, United News of India, PTI, Press Trust of India, and Samachar Bharati are the important news agencies of India. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi in 1886. It was the first wireless means of mass communication. Message through the radio goes around the world instantly. Besides messages, radio stations also broadcast educational and entertainment programs. Radio broadcast in India was started in 1927. Television is the most popular means of mass communication. Television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1926. We can see pictures and hear people talk on television, sitting comfortably in our homes. Many television channels broadcast news and educational and entertainment programs. Important events like a match, parade, or function can be shown live on television. Television service or Doordarshan was introduced in India in 1959. Cinema is another popular means of mass communication. Documentary films give us important information of social and educational value. International film festivals help us to know about the life and culture of the people of other countries. Advertisements are the latest addition to mass communication. Through advertisements, companies popularize their products. Advertisements are shown on television and broadcast on radio. They also reach us through newspapers and magazines. Communication satellite. We cannot imagine a world without satellite. Communication satellites are sent into the space to establish radio signals from one part of the Earth to another. They revolve around the Earth. They pick up radio and television signals from the Earth and send them back to other places on the Earth. It is because of these satellites that we can see live events on television. Communication satellites also send telephone and computer signals to distant places. All these means of communication are very useful for us. We cannot imagine a world without them. We must use them to make our world a better place to live in. Points to remember. Telegram was sent through a telegraph through wires in the form of dots and dashes. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio in 1886. John Logie Baird invented television in 1926.